Well, it turned out to be another beautiful day today. So we got to take advantage of days like today. Uh, Basically, gonna brew up another pot of probably some wheat beer today, and test out this Ecoflow uh, Delta Max. It's a 200, what is it? 2,000 watt hour system. So we'll see how well it does with the inductive cooker. Didn't turn it on yet because it does put a lot of noise out on the line and just doesn't make for a very good video experience. So we got some other experiments going on over here with these solar panels, and these have been going pretty well. I've come to the conclusion that really, if you're gonna if you're gonna go off grid, you need to get yourself at least three large panels, get to at least a little over a kilowatt in energy. And unfortunately, a lot of these power stations aren't rated for that much energy, or they're not wired for the higher current, and so um, they're not really that good of a match for daily on and off cycling with your solar system, where you're actually powering stuff that you need to use. So from that perspective, I'd say uh, it's better to just build your own. I'm hoping that that'll be true after I finished all my testing, but uh, the latest technology on the battery front is improving on an annual basis now, and so that leads me to believe the wise thing to do is develop your own system where you can upgrade your batteries with the latest and greatest technology, because some of the batteries that are out there, they're claiming 800 cycles, 5,000 cycles, 8,000 cycles, but that's going to be a function of the depth of discharge, as well as the speed of recharge. Those two things have a significant impact on those two things. And so profile for the amount of energy that you're using. For example, if you just were powering this tiny house over here in the background, that could easily be powered with a 1-ton mini split year round. So we'll probably look at putting some solar on that soon.